quick ninja update. We took the fairings off last video, and I did wash it when I first got it, but didn't get all the stuff under the fairing, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I did do the oil change on it, put that K&N oil filter on it, and as the last owner said, it was given a new battery, so that's cool right there. Got some parts on order. Got slip-on exhaust coming with a mid-link, fairings, some rear spools so I could throw it up on the stand, wind visor, and a couple other things that I can't remember right now, but we're gonna get this thing looking real pretty, and of course mechanically great, which it already is. So now that everything's off of it, I just want to kind of spray it down, get all of the crud off of it. Use an OxyClean, not a sponsor, just works really well. This is gonna be new, so I don't need to mess with that. So yeah, I'm just gonna scrub it down. All this stuff's gonna be new too. I really want to get in the casing and everything. It's not warm. I haven't started it up for a while, so I'm not damaging anything. Once I get all that sprayed on, I'm just gonna scrub it down real good. I'll hardly take the tank off right now. Alright, that's kind of the best I could get it right there. We have some water spots going on, so I'm going to get something to take those water spots out. And that's pretty much it. Looks really good, clean.